My name is Nishant Ram. On the occasion of Science Day, I am going to explain few things about electrochemistry. What is electrochemistry? Electrochemistry is the study of chemical reaction which take place at the interface of an electrode, usually a solid, metal or semiconductor, and an ionic conductor, the electrolyte. Electrochemistry deals with the interaction between electrical energy and chemical change. Now we are going to see about history of electrochemistry. English chemist John Daniel and physicist Michael Faraday, both creates and founder of electrochemistry today. The first German physicist Otto von Guericke created the electric generator which produced static electricity by applying friction in the machine. The English scientist William Gilbert spent 17 years experimenting with magnetism and to lesser extent electricity. The French chemist Charles Francisco de Crespigny Dufay has discovered two types of static electricity. William Nicholson and John William Ritter succeed in decomposing water into hydrogen and oxygen by electrolysis. Ritter discovered the process of electroplating. William Hyde Wollaston made improvement to galvanic cells. Oster discovered of the magnetic effect of electrical current and further work on electromagnetism to other. Michael Faraday experiments lead him to state his two laws of electrochemistry, and John Daniel invented primary cell. Paul Sherwood and Charles M. Hall developed an efficient method to obtain aluminium using electrolysis of molten alumina. Electromotive force and his equation known as Nernst equation, which related the voltage of cells to property. Quantum electrochemistry was developed by Rivers, Diogenes and his pupils. Now we are going to see about application of electrochemistry. There are various extremely important electrochemical processes in both nature and industry. The coating of an object with metal or metal oxide through electrode deposition and the detection of alcohol in drunken drivers through the redox reaction of ethanol. Diabetes blood sugar meters measure the amount of glucose in the blood through its redox potential. Now we are going to see about oxidation and reduction. The term redox stands for reduction, oxidation. It's refer to electrochemical process involving electrons transfer to or from a molecule or ion changing its state. The atom or molecules which lose electrons is known as the reducing agent. The substance which accepts the electron is called oxidizing agent. Now we are going to see about battery. Many types of battery have been commercialized and represent an important particle application of electrochemistry. Earlier, wet cell powered first telegraph and telephone system and were the source of current for electroplating. The zinc manganese dioxide dry cells were the first portable non-spillable battery type to meet that flashlight and other portable device particle. The lithium battery, which does not use water into electrolyte, provide improved performance over other types. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery is an essential part of many mobile devices. Now we are going to see about Faraday's law. Quantitative aspects of electrolysis were originally developed by Michael Faraday. Faraday is also created to have coined the term of electrolyte, electrolysis among many other while studying analysis of electrochemical reaction. Faraday advocate of the law of conservation of energy. First law, the mass of product yielded on electrode was proportional to the value of current supplied to cell, the length of time the current exists, and the molar mass of substance analyzed. The amount of substance deposited on each electrode of an electrolytic cell is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through the cell. It is a formula of Faraday's first law. The second law is the amount of bodies which are equivalent to each other in the ordinary chemical action have equal quantity of electricity neutrally associated with them. The quantity of different elements deposited by a given amount of electricity are in the ratio of chemical equivalent weight. Now we are going to see about corrosion. Corrosion is the term application to steel rust caused by electrochemical process. Corrosion of iron in the form of reddish rust, black tarnish on silver, red or green may be appear on copper and alloy such as brass. Prevention of corrosion. Coating. Metal can be coated with paint or other less conductive metal. This prevents the metal surface from being exposed to electrolyte scratches, exposing the metal substrate which result in corrosion. Thank you.